What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video I'm going to check out this head mount right here from ULANZI. Now if you guys are following my vlog channel, you guys can see recently I've been doing a lot of POV driving, and I was actually using my Tilson chest mount to do those driving POV shots, and you realize that when I was using that chest mount, I can't really get to see the road when I'm driving. Most of you guys were complaining that you're not seeing the road, so I was scrolling Amazon and I purchased it, and just gonna give you guys my honest review of this right here. So it comes inside this box right here. What's inside is I got this head mount right here. As you can see, the material of this is plastic and it kind of feels cheap, even though this does not cost a lot. It's very great product though, and it's stretchy, so you can adjust this section right here to your head, and this back part right here fit rests on your head quite fine. Also we have a cushion as well to the front right here, which you know, that's soft cushion, and to this front right here, this part can switch. So if I want to switch it into horizontal mode, and also we have a phone mount as well inside. So you guys can see we have a thread at the back right here as well. We have a thread right here for mounting, and it's adjustable, and also we have a mounting screw right here, so I can use this and I can put my phone inside, and I can hook this up right onto my mount right here to get those POV videos and look something like this onto my head. I love this also is that I can mount my GoPro onto it as well. So if I want to mount my GoPro to get those POV shots, I can use my GoPro as well. Now the thing though, I prefer to use my GoPro onto this mount, mainly because my iPhone right here is very heavy, and when I put it on my forehead, it actually, if I want to see the car, if I don't want to see much of the ceilings, I have to put it kind of tilt over, and sometimes it can be heavy if you're driving for a long period of time, and it's gonna put a lot of strain on this elastic right here because it have to keep up your phone, which is something that I really don't recommend. But if you have to use a phone, you can use it, but after a long period of time it may feel comfortable if you want to get that right and accurate, you know, POV shot. So I'm just gonna hook it up. And the thing that I like about this POV shot with the GoPro is that I can use my cell phone with the GoPro app on your phone. So if you have a GoPro, you can install app on your phone to connect to your GoPro, so you can see exactly what is being presented onto your camera as well. And now, as you guys can see, I have that preview right there on my mobile phone. Guys, as you can see right now, it's mounted up on my mount right there. We have a thread right here as well, as you guys can see, and right there, so you can mount anything on this right here. I'm not sure what you guys might mount. Also to the top we have a mounting option as well, so if you want to mount like a light on this, it can actually work. So if you're out, whether you're doing some outdoor adventure video, I want to get those POV shot, this can work well as well. So I'm gonna try that on, and this one is the tightest adjustment, and that's how it look right there on my forehead. As you can see guys, it tilts over a bit, which can be a bit heavy on your forehead right there, and if you put it up like this, you're not gonna get those great POV shot that you're looking for. So I just gonna slant it so I can actually have my steering wheel showing and some of the view inside the car showing as well, and this is how it actually look right here. So this is just my review of this product right here. I'm going to put a link for this down in the description if you guys might find this interesting and want to try out and want to get some POV shots. So yeah, hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.